Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by validating prerequisites so the install proceeds cleanly. Make sure macOS is updated and you have at least 64 GB free. Back up your data. Download the correct Windows ISO and keep the product key handy. Once done, open Bootcamp Assistant, point it to the ISO, and choose a partition size based on usage, more for games or dev tools. Click Install and let Bootcamp create the Windows partition and reboot to the Windows installer. You continue by completing the Windows setup and ensuring hardware works. When the Windows installer appears, select Bootcamp and format it as NTFS so Windows can install. Do not partition further. Once Windows installs, the Bootcamp drivers installer launches. Run it to enable trackpad, keyboard, Wi-Fi, GPU drivers, and power management. After that, reboot when requested. Make sure to run Apple Software Update inside Windows to fetch updated Bootcamp components and security fixes. You finish by confirming system settings and preparing for common failures. In Windows, open the Bootcamp control panel to set the default startup disk and tweak keyboard and trackpad behavior. Next, run Windows Update and install any vendor GPU or storage drivers if performance looks off. If something went wrong, for example the installer stalls or the Mac won't boot, restore your backup, free more disk space, reset nvram/smc, and retry Bootcamp Assistant. This resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.